What's up guys, we're back again today with another great video, and in today's video we're actually going to be working on the Corolla again. So if you guys remember, a couple months back we actually did an install of the Toyota radio, which was a really cool install. I'm glad we done it. So now we're actually going to make it look a little bit more factory with this USB right here, as you guys can see. We're going to plug it in and check out how it looks. It'll just make it kind of like a cleaner, nicer looking install. So let's go ahead and we'll jump into it. Alright, so if you guys hadn't watched the video from a couple months back where Toyota sent us out a really cool radio for the Corolla, what's super nice about it is it's really sleek, it's all touchscreen, and it's a really easy plug and play install. One thing that's cool about it is it looks factory in there. You can't even tell it's really an aftermarket one, which is super nice. They make them for a lot of different cars. If you guys want to check it out, I'll actually leave a link down below to their website and everything. And if you guys hadn't seen that video, I'll pop it up right now, and it'll also be at the end of this video if you guys want to check out that install and see how easy it was to install that in the Corolla. But like I said, they make them for Tacomas, 4Runners, different things like that, and I also think they make them for some other makes and models as well. So one thing that it added is it actually gives you two USBs. One's a charging port and one's a phone link, so you can actually, hook your phone straight into it and play music that way if you don't want to do it through Bluetooth, or if it's just a better connection for you, whatever. But it gives you two USB ports. Well, right now they're actually just running through my dash where the little knockouts are in the center. So what I went ahead and got online is this little USB guy, and it'll actually make it look a lot more factory in the car, just make it look a little bit cleaner of a setup. So I'm going to show you guys how to install this right here, and then show you guys the way it looks afterwards, and how just making a simple little upgrade like this with the Toyota radio will make it look that much more factory. And also I'll leave this in the description down below if you guys want to pick up this exact same one, so you guys know it'll work. All right, so we're in the Corolla now, and it is a little messy in here, so no judging on that. But as you guys can see, here is the Toyota radio. As you can see, super nice radio, very clean, super sleek, fits in there perfect. That's one thing they kind of go for, is to make it look like a factory look, even though it's an aftermarket radio. So again, a great thanks to them for sending this out to me and letting me do a video for you guys. And also now I've had it for a couple months and it's working great. Occasionally it'll disconnect from the Bluetooth, but that can happen in any car. It happens in the Corvette all the time as well. So that would be the only thing that's a downside to it. Other than that, everything's great. The software works good. When you're clicking the buttons and stuff, it goes through it really nice. So that's kind of like a review, 3 months later on this radio. It's doing really good. So as you guys can see right now, here is the USBs that are just running through right here. As you guys can see, you've got your dummy knockouts right here for the extra things. This is, I believe this is where the heated seats are, if you had that option in this year Corolla. But I just knocked it out and run my two USBs through there. So as you guys can see, what this will do is we'll just plug in these right here, and then we'll pop that in, and it'll just make it look a lot cleaner down there. So you can kind of see what it looks like now, and that's what it'll look like after. So I'm going to set you guys to the side. I'm going to go ahead and hook this in and feed my wires through, and then we'll check out what it looks like. On this, one of these is a phone link, so I'm going to put that as my USB 1, and then just put the charger as the USB 2. One thing that you guys will notice is it is blue in there, and that's just indicating that this is a 3.0 USB. So you're just able to transfer more information quicker through this type of USB, and I believe it charges your phone a little faster as well. All right, so it's going to be a little harder with the gear shifter in the way, but as you guys can see, here is this one that says phone link. We're going to use that one as the number 1. So I'm just going to find the number 1 tag right here and plug it in. We're going to try to get away with leaving the wires bundled up. That way it's just neater behind the dash. So let's go ahead and get this one plugged in. So now we've got that one plugged in. So now we're going to go ahead and take the second one that's just a charge USB, and we're going to plug that in our second one right here. Obviously you guys can do it whatever way you would like to. This is just the way that I'm going to do it. So now we're going to take these wires and just feed them on in. All right, so with a little persuasion, we didn't have to take the trim or anything back off. So we just fed the wires right through there, and as you guys can see, it fits perfectly nice and tight in there. And now we've got a more factory look, and we don't have those wires just coming out of there with a big, you know, open hole. So a lot nicer. I just wanted to show you guys this quick little video of, you know, how to make your Decida radio look a little bit better and a little bit more factory. These are actually for, when I looked this up, I think it's for like most Toyotas or will fit this size. So if you've got a different vehicle, it may be different, but like I said, I'll leave a link down below to this one. But if this cutout don't look like your guys' cutout, just make sure you guys get the right one. That way it'll fit in there nice and clean like this. All right guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. A short and simple video for the Corolla and kind of an update on the Decida radio and how it's doing and everything. Still really love the radio. Glad I have my Apple CarPlay and I don't have to, you know, have the phone mount up and, you know, have to use my phone for the GPS. So a lot nicer there, and very happy with the radio. If you guys are thinking about getting one, I would say go ahead and pull the trigger, just because the plug and play is just so much easier than trying to get like a Pioneer radio or something like that. This hooks in right away with your factory harnesses and everything. So I would definitely think about giving this a try if you're going to try to get a new radio. But so anyway guys, just remember, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace out, and remember, build your masterpiece.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change.